Do you know before donuts became pillow, we had those white lines and the coming of all these milky donuts and the rest? This is how to make the original donut without eggs. I know you are part of the people that finish their morning in secondary school because of this. To make this, you'll be adding in your flour into your bowl. In this case, I'm just using my food processor. The quantities of everything I use here will be in the caption, so do well to check it out. So I added in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 over 3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. So I'm just going to mix this all together. Once it's well mixed, I'm just going to open it up and add in my margarine. And I'm using 70 grams of margarine for this. If you are still interested in the milky donut, the trendy one, I have a recipe here on my page. So just scroll down a bit, you see the recipe of milky donut. I explain everything on how to make your milky donut. So back to this, our original donut. So after mixing all these, I'm going to be adding in water, and I'm using 1 cup of water for this mixture. So I'm just going to be adding in the water as this is mixing. This is just very easy, but you can do this with your bowl. This takes no time to mix at all, and it is ready. See, if you need to frying or baking anything, just know that you're going to find this very much easier and you don't need to do too much. Once the dough comes together like this, just know that you're almost done. See, if you're using your hands to mix this, you can get the same consistency in no time. This doesn't take time at all. You don't need that so much kneading like when you want to make your pillowy donuts. So we are just going to cover this up and allow this to rest. So a few minutes later, you're just going to bring this, transfer this to your work surface. It's going to feel a little bit sticky at this point, and that is totally okay. You're just going to add little flour to help you knead this together, just for you to bring the whole dough together. And in no time, this is what you should have. So you're just going to be cutting this bit by bit. Before that, I'm just going to flour my work surface. This is where I'm going to be placing the donut. So I don't want it to stick to the work surface. Just slightly flour it. Won't be using parchment paper for this. Who dashes parchment paper for this? Our original donut. We don't be needing that. So I won't be needing a scale. Everything you're going to do in here is by your intuition. Just cut the dough and roll into ball. It is very easy. This is the OG type of making donuts. So you can see how I'm doing it. I said this just gets ready in no time. Just roll this into ball. If it's too feeling too small in your hand, just add a little more till you get your desired size, or you just feel that the size is equal. And that is it, guys. This is how to just roll your donut, and it is very easy. So I'm just going to cover this up. You're going to allow this to double its size, so just leave it about 30 minutes for it to double. So once this have doubled its size, get a small tiny round cutter or round shape something to just make this ring like shape. But if you have your donut cutter, you can just make use of that. But this is what I'm using, and that is it. Your donut is ready for frying. It is very easy. So into your hot oil, you're just going to be placing in your donuts. No special technique at all. Just make sure that your oil is not too hot so that your donut doesn't just get brown without properly frying in. And don't overcrowd your frying pan when you are frying. You just need to allow it small space for it to actually fry very well. So once it's ready on one side, you're just going to flip to the other side. See, this won't give you that white line because it didn't need this to be very stretchy. This is just a straight up recipe, and this is so good. So once it's ready, you're just going to take this out from the oil and transfer into your paper towel for it to drain any excess oil. And that is it, guys. Just take a look at this donut. See the the original donut. I know you have some nostalgia feeling watching this, right? Yeah, I feel the same way too. So once it's ready, take this and drain any excess oil. And this is how to make that original donut. Those ones that finish your pocket money those days. Unlike your pillowy donut, this does not have that smooth skin. This has this rough but very tender inside. And I want you to try it out because this is very good and is also very tasty. Like for me, I still prefer this OG type of donut and it doesn't soak oil at all. This is what we have, guys, as our donut is ready. So after frying all the batches, this is what you have. I'm going to show you how the inside is. It is very soft inside, no soaking of oil, and this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below for more amazing recipes like this. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.